Hello viewers, my name is Andrew from Jamaica, St. Catherine to be exact. Came here in 2012 where I began my truck journey. Now, whenever I come inside America, Jersey is the first place where I actually land. And landing inside of Jersey, decided was to drive truck. Drive truck from 2012 come all the way up to 22. So 10 years of trucking actually is what I did until I realized trucking was just a cycle that I wanted to come out of, and then got introduced to real estate through reading books and having a different crowd or a different set of people that I follow. That's how I got introduced to real estate. Now, I want to talk to the Jamaican community, and what is it that I want to say to them is, whenever you guys leave Jamaica and come over inside of the United States of America, what we tend to do sometimes is not make use of the opportunity. And what is it that I say? You come, and whenever we forward come America, we come with the intention of working. We come not with a good mindset, and when we end up even come inside of Jamaica, we end up going around the same set of people who will leave back home in Jamaica. So physically we here, but mentally a lot of the times we still have the mindset of a Jamaican. We need to change that. Sometime we'll come, we end up around with uncle, with aunt, with grandparents, who them come and for the mindset and change. So we start to see America through the lens of that of people who come here with 3 and 4 jobs. If we put ourselves inside of those environments and we start to develop the pattern and live in that type of way, what will end up happening is that's what America will give us. We need to end up around different cultures, we need to go around different people, and we need to surround ourselves with a different diaspora. We need to diversify the people who we hang out with. Look at the result of the people who you spend most of your time with, and from there you can make a fair assessment as to whether or not you want to hang around these people. As I said before, the biggest opportunity in America is not to come with the intention of working. Of course, working is where you're going to start off from. But to put things into context, 70% of your time go towards a job. Of course, you have to pay your bills. Of course, you have to maintain yourself. But 30% of that time is supposed to be working towards something that's going to yield some type of investment once it's all said and done. So what you do now, you transition from that 70%, then you give it 60-40, then you give it 50-50 until you transition into what is it that you want to pursue a career into. For me personally, school is not even the answer. Skill set, finding people with skill set, hang around these people, reading books, doing different things than the average person coming from Jamaica would do. Too often we get caught up inside our clothes, too often we get caught up inside our cars, and a bunch of other stuff that really means nothing. If you're coming with the intention here to work, might as well stay home. That is not the opportunity where America provides for us. It is the opportunity of owning something for yourself. My vehicle to owning something for myself would have been real estate, and that is what I want to present to you guys. I want to introduce the concept of wholesaling for ease a way into real estate and not staying inside of the 9-to-5. Of course, a lot of us want to be a truck driver. But if you stick with truck driving, you find yourself behind the wheel 10 years like what I did. Don't make the mistake that I did, because I spent 10 years behind the wheel until now I find out that is not the way to go. A lot of people come as females and them also do nursing. That is not the way to go. Even if you do that and you make a living, try to use a piece of that living and also invest. Invest from your 9-to-5 over to real estate and try to build a portfolio where now your investment can come replace a 9-to-5 job. That's supposed to be the intention. Now, if you don't hang around people with these type of mindset, of course you won't get the knowledge, and that is what I'm here to present to you. I'm here to talk to the Caribbean community. That is why for me, I'm not even try to talk no English. I keep it straight patois because I want to reach out to my people. Recently I had a conversation with a female who looking to come over here, and just by talking to her, I'm hear the mindset. I'm like, hey, this is not the right mindset to come with. Don't come with the intention of working, making $10,000 to send back home to your local business. Come here, build yourself up. Nobody say it's gonna be easy, but that is the opportunity. If you wanted to work, might as well stay home and work. You can stay at Jamaica and work one job, and you're cool, have all free time, you come here, one job won't cut it. So coming here with the intention for work, of course, you're going to put yourself inside a position where now you end up at work 3 jobs just to survive. That's not what we want to do. What we want to do is for work, take a piece of that money that will work and find some type of investment and grow it where the money multiply, and find some type of place where now we can craft a skill and craft our own stuff. We are trying to become entrepreneur. If you look behind me right, that's all me do. I go create a YouTube channel, create a social media platform, start wholesaling, and start to introduce wholesaling real estate to the community of Jamaica. I really and truly want to see more people them do better. That is why I make the channel, and that is why I'm kind of keep it raw and authentic as an investor. Of course, I do the fix and flip. We're going to get into that. We buy the rentals, and of course, we do the wholesaling, and now I'm in a new development. And this is just all through skill set and farming relationship with people. It is as easy as ABC. It's not like you have to be a millionaire in order to get involved with stuff like this. So once again, guys, as I tell you before, the journey was me being a truck driver for the past 10 years, coming up, understanding that being a truck driver is not what you want to do. I don't want to stay behind the wheels until I'm 50 years old, right? That is not the avenue that I wanted to take. So I ease my way out of trucking and ease my way inside of investing, where now I'm a full-time investor. Having that skill set made me feel way more comfortable within my skill, within my skin, knowing that nobody can fire me from this skill set. Nobody can take away that skill set away from me. That is forever mine, where me can go and flip a house, go make $50,000. Me can go wholesale property, make an additional $50,000, and me can go out and me can do acquisition. Acquisition means me can go find myself a multi-family, a 4-unit, a 5-unit. Me don't even need the money. Because me can go find the person with the money and tell them, hey, I have a deal where you can get 50% of the deal with my skill set, and you bring the additional 50% with the cash, and we can become a partner, and we can share the cash flow. And once you build up yourself a portfolio, you have that cash flow replace your 9 to 5. That is the concept I'm going to teach you guys. For the Jamaican who coming over here, even if you have money already and don't know what to do with the money, splurging the money is not what you want to do. You want to invest that money. I'm going to show you different ways, different tactics, different moves where you can do now if you even go buy a piece of dirt, put a fourplex on it, refinance outside of it, and keep that as a passive income vehicle for build a rental portfolio. So Jamaicans, I want to tap it, I want to subscribe, and I want to share. And I'm going to introduce a lot more stuff to you guys. The channel I have nothing about pure educational stuff as to how you guys do this. You don't need the money. If you're in your 9 to 5, I'm not tell you to quit, but the 9 to 5 should not be the focus. The Popeye's job, those jobs should not be the focus. I want you use 70% of your time. I want you live below your needs. I want you save a piece of your paycheck every single week for put inside of the investment for grow this portfolio. All you need is a skill set. Jamaicans that live in Jamaica, you guys are who me talk to. If you come around and you hang around your auntie or your uncle who have been here for 10 and 20 years, and all them do are complain, all them do are tell about how America hard, it's only a matter of time before you start to say America through those same lenses, because now it become a habitual way of thinking, it becoming a habitual way of doing things, and that is what you don't want. You want to hang around people with different culture, people who are doing things, people who are going places. These are the people who you want to hang around. And once you start to hang around them and you start to pick up on the things them that you're supposed to do on a day-to-day basis, the reading of the books, the exercising, the going out, the farming relationship, once you get a hang of those stuff, you start to bend life to how you want it. And that's how I'm going to leave you with. Stay tuned to the channel. More you like, more you share, more you subscribe. A lot of educational stuff coming through as to how you can perform this skill set, or you can develop this skill set. And hey, I'm going to see you in the next video. You and me talk to Jamaican.